Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Analytics 4, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Google Analytics 4, start by navigating to the Google Analytics website. Click on the Start for Free button. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, select Create Account and follow the instructions to set one up. Once signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics setup page. Click on the Set Up Property option. Here, you will need to enter your property name. Choose the reporting time zone and currency that applies to your location. Click Next to continue the setup process. Now, you will be prompted to provide information about your business. Fill in the relevant details and click Create. Review the Terms of Service Agreement and accept the terms. You will then proceed to set up data streams. Choose between a web, Android app, or iOS app data stream. For a website, select Web and enter your website URL. Name your stream and click Create Stream. You will be presented with a measurement ID for this stream. Take note of this ID as it will be needed for integration. Next, follow the setup instructions for adding the global site tag to your website. Once the tag is installed, head back to your Google Analytics account. You can verify data collection by checking the real-time report. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Google Analytics 4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.